Hello, beauty connoisseurs. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you that are new, welcome also. My name is Vicki. And if you don't mind taking a moment to stop and click the red subscription button down below and also click that notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. In this unit that I'm wearing, this is Abby and it's a Zuri sister wig, and I've done a review on it last Wednesday for Wonderful Wig Wednesday, and I'll leave the information card right there. So today is another Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I am really excited about this unit, you guys. I got this unit from Gobeautyny, and it is a 100% human hair wig. It's called Oni, and it's a Bobbi Boss wig, and it says Boss Wig. And guess what, guys? It was only $15. And I get a 40% discount, which Gobeautyny always has a 30% off discount for their monthly discount that you can use. And I also used points. So I got this, guys, for a grand total of $0. Can't beat that. Free. I got this for free. I'm so excited. And it's human hair by Bobbi Boss, and we all know Bobbi Boss makes some nice units. Now, I've never had one of their human hair units, but I mean, their synthetic units are always the bomb, so I wouldn't expect any less from their human hair. It's a short unit, and I thought that would be good for the summer. For those of you that get hot in your head. This is what it looks like out of the package, and I got it in a natural color. It's just a natural color, and this is the underneath, this is the front. There's no combs, and here is the back, and there's no combs, but you do have your two adjustable bands, and it's made with these tracks, so it should be nice and cool. Okay, this is how Oni looks, just plopped on my head. I haven't done anything to her. She does fit ear to ear, and because there was no comb in the back, which is the only comb that I usually use, I don't ever use the ones in the front, so I tightened the bands to the closest notch in the back, so, and it fits very snug. So I'm going to say that it is big head friendly. If I were to take the bands and loose in the back to the loosest notch, I will have a lot more room. But I mean, it's not, it still feels comfortable as is. So let's do some brushing. Okay, I think Oni is cute, and because it's human hair, you can go in and put some more curls in it if you like, or you can straighten it out so that it doesn't have any curl at all. But I like it just the way it is. Never got a loose hair. So I didn't get any shedding, and of course I don't expect any tangling with this human hair wig. It fits very lightweight, and yeah, I don't think it ages me either. I used to wear a unit sort of like this in this style. Now I'm not really sure if I like it tucked on both sides or just on one side. You all let me know what you think. So let's do a 360. And I hope she's laying like I wanted to lay in the back. You all know I don't like my units to be combed straight down in the back. I try to have it going at some type of angle. So yeah, you can flip it around if you want to, or have a more smooth or sleek style if you like. And I think she's cute, especially for $15. And you get a 30% discount or 40% discount. You can use your points. Man, I got this for free. I have no complaints. No complaints whatsoever. Whatsoever. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.